Our online design tool allows you to create custom artwork for print with ease. With the help of an on-screen 3D model, you can see your design come to life and make adjustments in real time, allowing you to create the perfect print. Simply choose the Design Online option and an interactive canvas will display your model on screen. Choose from an array of tools on the left-hand side panel that lets you add images, shapes, text and patterns to help you create your artwork. Already have graphics you want to use? Simply drag them on screen and apply them to your canvas. Once you have finished your design, you can check it over using our intuitive 3D model to make sure your artwork is perfect. When you are finished, simply click Review and Confirm and your artwork will automatically be sent off to print. You can order, design and print all from our site. Try our online designer today and create something amazing.